How are you? Do you feel exhausted? Overwhelmed? But the work doesn't stop, does it? When was the last time जब आप शांति से बैठे थे? No work, no phone, no overthinking. After 40, life doesn't just tire the body. It overwhelms the mind. What was an easy task now becomes a bit too much. इसलिए today's video is not about doing more. It's about slowing down and letting yourself breathe. Welcome to Healthy Habits After 40 Part 7. 5 simple and small habits जो आपके लाइफ को काम और पीसफुल बनाएगी. This is not meditation, no breathing exercises or mindfulness tips. Just sit for 3 to 5 minutes in silence. No planning, no thinking, बस शांति से बैठो. Listen to the sounds around you. Feel the environment, the object around. Let your body relax. In today's world where everything is designed to grab your attention, let your mind wander. Nowadays, our brains are working all the time, overthinking and overstimulated. This habit will let you reset your brain and feel refreshed. We are so used to doing things for a purpose nowadays that we have forgotten the importance of just doing for the sake of doing. Once a day, forget the purpose, just walk. Enjoy the scenery, look at the people, breathe in nature. Our brains are not meant for the information overload of social media. To encounter that, our brains need to relax away from our phones. A walk is the simplest and quickest way towards releasing the built-up stress we carry from our day. Walking हमारी बॉडी को एक्सरसाइज देता है और हमारी ब्रेन को पीस. That is why so many doctors recommend walking because it provides so many benefits without the higher intensity and the time required for gym or sports. Peace needs patience and patience needs a calm mind. आपको लगता है आजकल आप बहुत impatient हो चुके हो? आप impatient नहीं हो, आप बस overwhelmed ho. There are many things in your mind that you are unable to process anything. So before replying to a message, before arguing, before reacting, take 3 sips of water. It will give your mind the time to think and process before reacting. Water also cools your mind and keeps you hydrated. That will help you focus. I have talked a lot about hydration and its importance in my previous videos. So, you know how necessary it is for the healthy functioning of our body and mind. I have already spoken about journaling, but this is for those who feel writing needs extra effort. Summarize your day in one line at the end of every day. You can write it in small notes to stick it on your mirror, or you can say it to your loved ones or record it in your phones. It does not matter how you say it, but the line needs to be the most positive words of your day. Think about what you achieved, what you learned, what you felt throughout the day. This small habit will create an awareness of the positives in your life. जैसे हम नेगेटिव सोचते हैं तो सब कुछ हमें नेगेटिव लगता है. अगर अब हम अपने दिन के बारे में कहेंगे कि मेरा दिन आज पॉजिटिव था तो वो पॉजिटिव लगने लगेगा. Pick one small space every day, a cupboard, a desk or a room, and clean the clutter. When your environment is chaotic, your life turns chaotic too. इस छोटी सी स्टेप से आप अपने आसपास के उलझनों को सुलझाना शुरू करोगे. Don't think about the whole house. Just a small space will do. This is just like life, जहाँ आपको हर चीज़ एक साथ नहीं करनी. Just pick a small task regularly and work towards organizing it. And before you know it, you will be handling the bigger task just as easily. Real wellness after 40 is not loud. It does not exhaust you. These habits are perfect because they are meant to slow down and comfort you. Life after 40 is slower, and that is the beauty of it. Because at this age, we do not look for the thrill of youth, but for the steady comfort of age. So tell me, what do you do when life feels overwhelming? Do you clean your space, drink some water, or go out to find your peace in nature? Start with one small habit, and soon enough, you will change your life. Until next time, stay kind and keep believing in yourself.